Do you ever wish you could add another stream of income to your business that's not going to take away any more of your time or interfere with what you're currently doing? Well, if you do, then you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you my favorite additional stream of income, which is affiliate marketing. And I'm going to talk to you all about how to get started with your very first affiliate marketing program in this video. Hi, I'm Lindsay Sewell. If you are new to my channel, I help network marketers and coaches and online business owners to create more leverage in their business so that they can enjoy the time freedom that they deserve. And that's why today I wanted to talk with you about affiliate marketing. I want to explain some of the basics of it and some of the ways in which you can get started with affiliate marketing in your current business today, like immediately, like right after this video. So if that sounds good to you, you like what this video is about, then make sure you go ahead, hit the bell notification and subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on one of my videos. Now, no conversation about affiliate marketing would be complete without explaining some of the other income streams that you probably or are likely involved in. The first one is network marketing. A lot of online business owners get started in online business through network marketing. They're either introduced to a product or they see their friend having success and they decide to start building their own business. A lot of times you'll hear it called a business in a box because you can get everything for a couple $100 and you are up and running and you are officially a business owner. Now, there's lots of benefits to network marketing. Number one, it's a business in a box. You didn't have to create any of the inventory. You don't have to hold any of the inventory. All you need to do is sell that inventory to friends and family and interested other parties, and you earn a percentage of those sales. Now, here's the downside. The commissions, especially in the beginning, if you haven't built a team yet, and all the comp plans vary, so you'll need to look at your individual comp plan, but most of the time, the commissions are pretty small compared to the price of the products. So you need to have either a very large family, a lot of friends who want to buy from you, or start building a very substantial audience of interested parties if you want to earn a livelihood from those commissions. That would be called your retail sales. Now, how most network marketers actually earn the most of their money and build big successful businesses is through recruiting, right? They recruit other people into the company and they earn a portion off of all of their recruits' sales. And this is really cool because you're leveraging other people's efforts to build your business and build your income. But if you're not a strong recruiter or you don't have a lot of influence, persuasion, or authority yet, it can take quite a while for you to build up those recruits into your business and build up those residual incomes. That's another reason people love network marketing is that once you do build your team and you build your business and you get a consistent amount of customers, you do have a very nice residual income coming in, meaning that comes in month after month after month, regardless of your efforts. But it's not exactly foolproof because, like any business, there's going to be churn. And so some of your customers are going to decide that they don't like the products anymore. Some of them are going to decide they don't want to spend the money on it anymore. Some of your teammates are going to get tired of the business and leave. And so you're always going to have to be consistently enrolling new customers and new team members into your business to maintain those residuals. And over time, that sometimes becomes kind of tiring to people. But if you do build up a very large team, you can have income coming in even if something were to happen in your life and you weren't able to work for a couple months or sometimes, in some cases, a couple years. So network marketing could be a really great opportunity for you if you wanted to leverage other people's efforts and you feel like you could consistently sell those products over and over and over again to new people and want to continue enrolling members of your team. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is something called e-commerce. This is where you're actually selling a product. Think about like people who sell on Amazon or people who used to sell on eBay. This is e-commerce. So you buy a product at a wholesale price and then you sell it at a retail price. There were some network marketing companies that also had this wholesale component to them. However, you'll traditionally see it as things that are household items and goods, stuff that people would be buying anyways and are likely to go searching on eBay or Amazon for, and you can sell it directly to them and you earn the entire amount between the wholesale and the retail price. Now, the benefit to this is that you're going to earn a lot more of the portion of income from this than network marketing, right? Network marketing, a small level of commissions, e-commerce, you could be doubling the price of the product if you can get it for a good deal. However, in order to do that, you're probably going to have to order large numbers of the product. A lot of times, too, those products are made overseas. So you could end up having 30, 60 days of shipping time from when you place the order for the products until they arrive in the United States, if that's where you're located, or whatever country you're located in, likely that the products are not being produced right there in your country. Now, because of that, you're going to need to take the inventory and have it on hand before you ever sell the items. So there's a lot more upfront cost that you need to consider in e-commerce. Also, there could become a lot more competition. Usually in situations like Amazon, it's a race to the bottom in terms of pricing. So because you don't have any value add to offer, right? Like you could with a network marketing company or you could with coaching services, it's solely being based on price and the quality level of your products. And so you could have your competition undercut you and you could end up with a bunch of inventory on hand. Now, because of that, with the shipping times and the inventory and making sure that you have the direct channels to ship it from yourself to the consumer, e-commerce is just something that I don't spend a lot of time in my own personal business being involved with. So the third thing, and this is something that makes up a significant portion of my business, is what I call professional services. And professional services, in my opinion, is anybody who is coaching or consulting or offering a service-based business to the consumer. It's not a product to the consumer, it's a service-based business. Now, this service could be in the form of your own personal one-on-one coaching or consulting hours where you're directly working with someone. It could be in the form of a group coaching consulting program, or it could even be delivered in the form of a digital course, which you create once and sell over and over and over again. Now, the reason that I love professional services in my business model is because you get to have the greatest income right up front. So if you're selling your coaching, there's no inventory to buy. You're not splitting the commissions with anyone else. You charge for your services and you earn 100% of that into your business. So oftentimes this could be a great way if you need to get some cash flow coming into your business right away while you wait to build up some of those other income streams, right? While you wait to grow your network marketing business, or while you create enough money to invest in an e-commerce business. But here's the downside of the consulting and professional services. You are trading your time for that money, 1 hour of your time for whatever you are charging for that. And because of that, it solely relies on you. Unless it's that you've created a digital course, but in that case, you still need to be involved in the marketing and the selling of the course, in the customer service, in any kind of ongoing group coaching program that you offer with your course or any support. So they really rely on you. And here's the downside to that. If something were to happen to you, positive or negative, maybe you have a baby, maybe something happens and you get sick, maybe you want to take a month-long vacation to Tahiti. Oh my gosh, how amazing would that be? Well, regardless, you aren't able to work your business, then you will notice the impact in your bottom line and your cash flow because these aren't residual incomes. They're not coming in on autopilot without you. The same way you could have autopilot residuals with either your e-commerce products or your network marketing products. So just know that when you incorporate professional services and coaching and things like that into your business, you can get a lot of cash flow up front, but it completely relies on you. So it's quite risky to only have that as your business model without additional streams of income. Which is why we come to number 4, my absolute favorite income stream, and that is affiliate marketing. Why do I like affiliate marketing so much better than network marketing or e-commerce? Well, I like it because the commission rates are generally higher, right? You're generally, a lot of times with info products, you could be making 30 to 50 to sometimes even 100% of the commissions for what you're selling. Now, if you're an affiliate for, let's say, Amazon, and you're just selling other products, you're recommending products over there, you're not going to earn those same commission rates. But here's the really great thing about affiliate marketing. Nearly every company out there has an affiliate program. Walmart, Target, info products. I mean, even Cosbox that I like to shop with has an affiliate program where you can earn credits towards purchases that you're going to make from them. Dog supplies, every single thing out there, I mean, maybe not everything, but almost everything has an affiliate program, and you can sign up and you can get an affiliate account to promote. So your responsibility is to build an audience of people, and then you can put these items in front of them and oftentimes earn these really substantial commissions on things they're already buying, right? People are shopping at Target, they're shopping at Walmart, they're buying things for their dogs, they're buying, training. If they're in the business industry, they're buying personal development books and coaching books, and they're buying digital products and info products and training and coaching materials, and you can be the person that connects them with the best of those products. So not only are the commissions bigger, but you didn't have to create any of those programs like you do for your own coaching or digital courses or professional services. You don't have to host any of them. You don't have to deal with the customer service. And it usually doesn't interfere with your other network marketing, e-commerce, or coaching business. You can typically add these affiliate products and services on without getting into issues with violation of your contract. And the even better part is that you likely will have residuals, right? Especially for info products or coaching or training, things like that, digital platforms and software. If you're selling those products, a lot of times those come with a monthly subscription. So you need to sell or promote it once, and then you can earn the residuals on the back end. You're not trading your time for dollars. And if something were to happen to you, or you wanted to run off to Tahiti for a month, you would still be earning that money and those residuals on the back end. Now, the best part about selling people digital products and software is that they're likely to already be shopping around for it. So you're giving them something they already want and need, and you're not having to convince anybody of anything. And the retention can be really long and really strong, because think about it. Do you have a website hosting service? If you do, you're likely to continue staying with that website hosting service forever, because the hassle that you would have to go through, even if you could save some money on another website hosting service, is just too much. Same with an email autoresponder, right? I have all of my emails in my Aweber account. Even if I could get another product for a lower price, I'm likely not going to switch over anytime soon, because it would be a big hassle to move all of my contacts and to learn that new service. So if you can offer training and software and tools to your audience, you can have really strong retention and really strong residuals. So if you are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, or coaching, then I want you to go ahead and go over to this video right after you finish here. It's My Lead System Pro. This is my favorite affiliate program, and I want you to go take a look at why I've chosen this program, whether or not it's worth it. And if you like what you see, you can either even grab a demo account while you're over there and test it out for yourself for a full 30 days. So I hope this video was helpful to you in deciding whether affiliate marketing could be a good addition. Look at what you're already buying, what your audience is already buying, what you talk about, what you promote, and go and find those companies and sign up to be an affiliate for their products. This will help you to have bigger variety for your audience so they don't get bored. They don't feel like you're a one-trick pony and you're just offering the same thing over and over. And then make sure you go ahead and check out My Lead System Pro, because if you are in network marketing or coaching or affiliate marketing, this could be a great addition to your income streams. And I'll see you in the next video.